welcome back to my channel. So you know your girl Brittany is here once again, and today we come to bring you some slay. Okay, so if you want to see how I get this look, all you gotta do is just keep on watching. I actually did one eye off camera because I didn't really know what exactly to do, and I didn't want to start filming and then hey, I didn't like it, so I think I'm liking it. So let's get into it. Let's see how we achieve this look. I'm gonna use this Zulu palette and we're gonna use this color. So we're gonna get into the look, okay? So you gotta tap, tap, tap. Tap, tap, tap. Then we're gonna take the Saharan 2 palette. We're gonna use these two. Just find a soften that brown. We're gonna deepen that crease with the Murphy Jacqueline palette, and we're gonna use this shade right here to just deepen up the crease. We're gonna cut that crease, okay? So I'm gonna use my Revlon concealer and sit down, and we're about to cut that crease. So you're gonna use a concealer brush, this flat, and slay that creases. Messed up, but we're gonna fix it. We're gonna take back the same brown from the Jacqueline palette and just darken up the edges. This brown in the Zulu palette. I'm gonna stop right here. I'm gonna use the gold in the Murphy Jacqueline palette. And let's put in the crease right here. So I'm through with the eye. I'm gonna pop on some lashes, pop on my foundation, and get right back, okay? Yes guys, so this is the finishing look. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comments down in that description area, letting me know what you think about this look. So thank you guys for watching once again. Bye.